Come, let me teach you. On the board, we have a question to solve. PQRS are points on a circle centered O. Angle QP is produced to X. If angle XPS is 77 and angle PSO equal to 68, find PQO. We come to this side. We first of all look at the question to see how to enter into the circle. You can see this angle here, which is angle on a straight line. It's something like this. So Q, P, X. Let's just call here C to get this other side. C. So C plus 77 degrees equal to 180. Sum of angle on a straight line. Sum of angle on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. So C equal to 180 degree minus 77 degree. C equal to 180 minus 77 degree. We get 103. If you are with your calculator there, you can solve it or with your head. 180 77 minus. Cancel out. 10 minus 7 get your 3. 7 minus 7 is out. Then bring down your 1, which is 103. Yeah, you can see how we get our 103. So our C is our 103. I'm getting these parts for C. So to get these parts, there is what we call cyclic quad. Let's come over this part. Which is cyclic quad is these two parts are equal to 180. These two parts are equal to 180. The question said P, Q, R, and S. So we're looking for R. We're going to look for R in this question. So to get R, we already get our C as 103 degrees. So get these parts. We do here is equal to 180 and here is equal to 180. So we say R, angle R equal to 180 minus 103. R equal to, get our 77. So this for the R. You can also say 180 minus 103. 7. 1 minus 1 is out. So these are 77, which is this. So I've gotten here. To get this other part, is what we call angle at a point twice. So here, we have gotten here. So angle at a point, angle at the center, twice angle at the circumference. So this is the center of the circle, and this is the circumference. This is the circumference, which is this circle you are seeing here. So to get this inner part, 77 times 2, which is angle at the center twice angle at the circumference. We come over this part. O equal to 77 times 2. We get our 154. If you are with your calculator or watching this, you might say I'll get the 154, which is 77 times 2. 7 times 2, 14, plus 1, 15, which is a 154 degree. So we are getting this part, which is our 154. And here is the sum total of this you get here. So we can also say to get our Q, we have to put all this inside. So our C, we call here the C. We already call here C, so let's just put C so that we know that here is 103. And here, let's just call here A, which is our 154 degree there. So to get here, sum of angle on a cyclic chord is equal to 360. So let's come over this side, which is Q plus A plus C equal plus 68 degree equal to 360. Sum of angle of a cyclic chord. Sum of angle of a cyclic chord. So we put our A and our C. This is our A. So we put our A and our C into this question right here, which is Q plus 154 degree plus 103 degree plus 68 degree equal to 360. Q plus, to get this, 154 plus 103 plus 68, which is 15. 6 plus 5, 11 plus 1, 12. 1 plus 1 plus 1, these are 325, which is plus 325 degree equal to 360 degree, which is this sum of angle of a cyclic chord, which is this. So the what we call collecting of like terms. So once these are variable to stand alone, we bring down our Q. Then when plus crosses over this inequality sign, changes to minus. So equal to 360 degree minus 325 degree. Our Q equal to 35. So this is for the Q. Already giving us S, Q, which is this, P, which is this,